Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn SQL fast, easy method. Start by installing a lightweight SQL engine and a friendly GUI client, then load a small dataset. Focus on one goal like top customers or monthly totals and aim for 15 minutes of hands-on practice each day. Repeat simple select, where, and join until they feel natural, and gradually add group by and window functions as you progress. Begin by learning core SQL commands like select, from, where, and order by with short examples. Spend time practicing inner join, left join, and right join so you can combine tables with confidence. Work on group by and aggregate functions to summarize data. Keep sessions brief and focused, and use real sample data so each concept fits into a practical query workflow you can repeat and remember. Create a practice routine with short 15 to 30-minute drills that target one concept per session. Pick a real question, write a query to answer it, and then refine that query for clarity and speed. Keep a simple notebook of useful patterns and common mistakes you fix. Over time, the repetition will build muscle memory, and you will start recognizing which functions and joins solve each problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.